To cut a log safely, you have to know there's nothing ever safe about working a chainsaw. The chainsaw will always want to kick you in the face or cut your leg. You always hold it with a warrior's strength, ready for anything. Oh god, oh my god. Because if you hold it loose and you just let it do the cutting, and it bounces back, it'll cut your fucking shoulder off.
I don't want to do this. Just kidding.
It's like more dangerous than a gun. So when you want to cut a log like this, that's on a good lean, you have to remember where the pressure is going to pinch the blade. If you go to cut from the top, this log is going to fall in on itself and pinch this, and then your saw will be stuck. So you can do a notch like that, and then through the top, or you can just cut right through the top. But when it falls through, it can push your chainsaw down.
Jesus.
So start the chainsaw. You engage the trigger, pull the choke, and then you pull this thing about 14 times. And an easier way is to put your foot in there and start it on the ground. Just keep doing that. Okay, you're chainsawing. You have to work the saw with your hips. Okay, there you go. Start her up.
Is there like a trigger that I have to hold down?
Yeah,
What does that do?
It's your throttle.
That makes the blade go fast.
Bravo, bravo.
Awesome. That's how you cut a tree in half.